Welcome back to DIY Wood Crafting Ideas. If you're looking to transform your walls from plain to Pinterest-worthy, then today's video is for you. I'm sharing 10 stunning DIY wood wall art ideas that are easy, creative, and guaranteed to upgrade any room in your home. Whether you're a beginner or a weekend woodworker, you'll find something inspiring here. Let's dive in. Number 1. Rustic Reclaimed Wood Mosaic. Start with a rustic reclaimed wood mosaic. Combine old pallet pieces, trim scraps, or leftover boards. Arrange them in random patterns to create a warm, earthy art piece with tons of character. Number 2. Geometric Wall Panels. For a modern twist, try geometric wall panels. Cut thin strips of wood and assemble them into bold shapes. Paint alternating sections for a stylish, high-contrast look. Number 3. Mountain Silhouette Art. Mountain silhouette art is perfect for nature lovers. Stack 3 to 4 wooden layers, each slightly darker than the last, to create a depth effect that looks stunning on bedroom or hallway walls. Number 4. Wooden String Art Designs. String art isn't just trendy, it's incredibly fun. All you need is a wooden board, nails, and colored thread to create shapes like hearts, trees, animals, anything you love. Number 5. Live Edge Wall Shelf Art. Turn a live edge slab into functional art. Mount it as a floating shelf and add mini plants, candles, or decor items. It's both useful and beautiful. Number 6. Minimalist Wooden Grid Art. If you prefer a minimalist aesthetic, build a clean wooden grid. Paint the background in black or white, and let the wooden lines create visual rhythm. Number 7. Burnt Wood Art Shosugi Ban. This Japanese-inspired technique adds a dramatic touch. Lightly torch a wooden board to bring out deep textures and grain details. Seal it, and you've got a bold statement piece. Number 8. Wooden leaf or floral carvings. For a softer, artistic feel, try carving leaf patterns or floral shapes. Even simple carved grooves look elegant when highlighted with stain. Number 9. Layered 3D Wall Art. Cut wooden circles, hexagons, or waves and layer them to create stunning 3D wall art. Perfect for modern living rooms and offices. Number 10. Scrap Wood Art Collage. And finally, the ultimate budget project. Gather all your leftover scrap pieces, cut them into random shapes, stain them in different tones, and arrange them like an abstract painting. And here's something that makes all these projects even easier. If you want step-by-step plans, exact measurements, cut lists, and diagrams for thousands of woodworking projects, check out Ted's Woodworking. It's a massive collection of 16,000 plus woodworking plans, perfect for beginners and DIY lovers. If these wood wall art ideas inspired you, imagine what you could build with 16,000 more detailed plans. Click the link below in the description to download Ted's Woodworking plans, get instant access, and start building today, even if you're a complete beginner. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and keep crafting something amazing. See you in the next one.